Hey, what's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove central console and shift knob on this 2011 Ford Edge. That's the tools that we're gonna need, guys. Phillips, flathead and Torx 20. Okay, so first step is to remove those two panels. Starting from the bottom, gently pull it up, just like that. Same thing on this side. Now, using your Torx 20, remove 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 screws. All right. Now you can pull this panel up. Be very gentle. First time it's gonna be hard. Second time it's gonna be easy. So lift it up on the back and lift it towards you on the front, just like that. Okay. I forgot to mention, guys, put your car on hand, use your handbrake and put your car into the neutral. All right, now so lift this up and remove two connectors, one for position indicator, gear position indicator, and another, this gray one. This is your lights for cup holder. I'm gonna show you in a second. I need both hands. So this is number one, very simple one, and cup holder. Okay, so step number two, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws from the shift knob itself. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. Okay, shift it to the manual first. Okay, and now remove two screws. Oh my goodness, right here, 1 and 2, two Phillips screws, just like that. Do not drop it. 1 and 2, and now you can move your shift knob up, but before that you need to remove this connector on the bottom. Just press on the bottom and pull towards you. And now you're gonna be able to remove your shift knob. There is still some connectors, but it's very easy to remove them. This is your position indicator switch, and it's located, it's hard to see it, but it's located right there. Very simple, just push this pin and you're gonna be able to remove it. Same thing with the gray one. You need to push this pin and you're gonna be able to remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.